check my Phantom wallet out. $4.97 million all from meme coin launches. Not by trading hype, not by luck, just by deving smart. I'll show you how it's done. Now before I started deving meme coins, I used to trade them every single day, trying to become financially free and trying to become fucking rich. But every single time I bought inside a fucking coin, I got completely dumped on my investment. And that's exactly when my eyes opened. Now, the real winners in this space, okay, are not the traders of these coins, but it's actually the ones deving these coins. Because when you dev your own coins, you completely flip the script. You control the supply, the timing, and the hype of the coin, and also you create the own narrative from scratch. And as a dev of the coin, you risk absolutely nothing to create these coins because all you're doing is creating for free, winning for buyers, and then making some money like you guys can see here. And with Bitcoin at all-time highs and Solana currently surging, now is the best time to start deving coins. You guys need to keep watching if you want to flip your life around. And by the way, bro, I am not a financial advisor. Everything you see in this video is fake. It's all made with ChatGPT and AI, so please don't copy me. Cap! Now, Pump.Fun might look easy to dev meme coins, but trust me, bro, it's oversaturated. Even though they just came out with a brand new streaming feature on the website where people are making thousands of dollars every single minute. I'm not even joking. Look at this guy right here.
$8.50 eaten like that.
Look at this guy right here. Let's see how much he made. Whoops. He made $25,000 in the past week, which is absolutely absurd. Or not even the past week, in a couple of days. That's insane, bro. But there's a new way to make money, okay? Not by live streaming coins because it's oversaturated, okay? If you start streaming coins, you won't make any money because you do not have an audience like me. Now, Pump.Fun is oversaturated and your coin has to reach a $90,000 market cap for it to bond on the Raydium DEX. So by diving coins on Pump.Fun, you are just losing no matter what. And that's exactly why I completely switched to create tokens.io, because on this website your coin launches straight to Raydium. It's instantly migrated on the Raydium DEX and buyers can trade it instantly. You will get a shit ton of buyers because it will be shown to thousands of potential investors, and that's exactly why a shit ton of people are using create tokens.io to dev meme coins. Now on create tokens.io, you've got two clean choices to make a meme coin. The first one is to actually make it from scratch. So I like to go on X/Twitter, it's the same thing, and I like to look for good narratives to make a meme coin on. For example, Jake Paul, they can never make me hate you, Spanky Tanky. Well, that's a good narrative to make a meme coin on because they're gonna face off on a 1v1 in the ring. So that's a really good narrative and something that you could do, okay? I will be spilling some sauce. You guys could actually wait for the fight to end, right? And then make a meme coin on the winner. And bro, you guys can make generational wealth off that coin, I swear, okay? After that, once you have a good narrative, come back to create tokens.io. Just invent a name, invent the symbol, and slap in a quick image just by screenshotting whatever the fuck you want. And then click on next, and you are done for a custom creation. But the second method, that's the best one because it's the most profitable, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Whoops. Now all of these coins are all hot on Pump.Fun, and all you have to do as a dev is copy them here and launch them instantly to Raydium. And because buyers are already chasing all these coins, you will see instant traffic and bigger profits from the start because there's simply hundreds of people looking at the migrate screen every single second. So it's so easy to get buyers, you guys will see. Alright, let's stop wasting time. I'm deving a coin right now so you can see it live in action. So first of all, make sure Phantom wallet is connected. So if I disconnect it real quick and just reconnect it, it's just easy as this, and then click on refresh list. And let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the Dare 3 coin. It has a last buy 5 seconds ago and a $26.5 thousand market cap. So it looks good. So click on crit coin. Oh my god. And then ignore the warning from Phantom and click on confirm. I understand. Click the checkbox, then click on confirm. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then boom. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super simple. We're just adding liquidity / creating it so buyers can jump in and sellers can cash out instantly on Raydium. This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't offer to you guys, right? Now for the amount token A, just click on 90%. That's 900 million tokens going into the pool. Right under is for the token B. This is your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing that money. It's only locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that Solana that you put in right here will come back right to you because it's the first buy. So I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, which is a bit above the minimum, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Dare coin is now live, our PNL is right here, the pool SOL is right here, and if you click on refresh for a second time, now we're up $211. It's fucking insane. Click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view. And as you can see, we're already up a couple $100. What the fuck? What? So many people are buying in, bro. Oh my god. Okay, should I dump the coin? Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to go up. Because if you guys don't know, bro. Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay, it's pumping. Okay, should I dump the coin? Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to go up because, bro, it is going to pump, bro. You guys just have to wait and see. It's fucking insane. Come on. Now, more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on their Raydium decks. I could even find it on the migrate section. But yeah, bro. Now, do not be emotional like me. You guys have to remember that if this doesn't work out, you can just create another one and do it over and over again. But usually, it is gonna go up like right here, bro. It's already going up. People are already buying in, bro. What? Oh my god, bro. So many people buying in. Should I dump the coin already? Actually, no. I'm gonna wait longer, bro. I'm gonna wait longer. Now I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes and I'm gonna be right back. So be right back. Okay guys, I am back. It looks like we are at a $4,500 market cap, 2k in liquidity. Things are looking good. It's fucking bullish and it's still going up. What the hell? Anyways, if you want to make some money, come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And boom, we're up $1,500 on this coin with a $4,000 market cap, and it went down a bit, bro. Oh, it's still going down. Okay, before it goes even downer, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. And now as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you make a coin and make some money. It's fucking insane. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, boom! $1,580,000 on my wallet with no strings attached.